All right, and we're back. Welcome to Nothing to Something. Today we're focusing on cleaning up the 62. We're putting it back into the makeshift garage. As you can see here, we have a lot of grime that's down here. I went ahead and sprayed it with some degreaser, and I'm going to use the our little Roby cheap steam cleaner here to see if we can get some of this dirt and grime off of here. Once we get done with that, then we'll focus on a couple of the other things, but I just kind of wanted to get in here and get some of this done while I have some daylight. All right, so we did kind of a little bit of steam cleanish. It's not that good of a steam cleaner, but it do for right now. Ooh, she cleans up a little bit better. There's some stuff that is on here. I could probably go over it. I'm gonna sand this anyway, eventually. See, look at that. It's nasty. I could probably go over it with a pad, you know, a washcloth or something like that, and get a lot of this off. But if you look over here, this is what we're looking at here. I know there should have been a cross member that went across back there, if you can see, but it looks like it's been cut off, and someone did make their own plate back there, and it's some very thick steel. Let me learn how to talk today. But then here's the motor mounts that where we can put the 350 in. I was talking to a gentleman on Facebook, and he was saying that the 62 did come with a V8, but there wasn't very many of them. So I'm wondering if that's the cross member that they were talking about that they're on here, that keeps you from having a bigger transmission like turbo 350, which is what I'm thinking that we have. Again, we got a lot more stuff that we got clean on here. I just wanted to get the general, you know, mud off to kind of see where we're looking at, and to be able to get some of these bolts, because I'm going to try to take a little bit more of it apart. But I'm going to back it up into our little makeshift garage here, and probably call it a day for today. Benz, we have the wife and I have some things we got to do later, and the weather, yeah, it's cloudy, it's hot, but she's cleaning up nice. I still got some stuff that I gotta take off. I got stuck with a boat over there I'm probably gonna have to cut off in order to get that other fender off. That's why the other fender isn't off yet. And then we're gonna have to get, of course, the front part of this frame off. And I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research. Again, this is my first truck, so I don't really know if this is actually a 62 chassis, or it is and they modified it in order to fit that transmission in here. As you can see, it used to be, you know, a manual 3 on the tree over here, and the transmission, of course, we didn't have that. But yeah, I would like to have power steering, which this right here, I'm wondering if that's I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the power steering, but I'm pretty sure that's manual. But we shall see. But that's it for right now. I'll do a time lapse on me washing this, because I know nobody wants to stand there and see me washing it, you know, for 20 minutes. I wouldn't want to watch that. But yeah, so looks a little bit better. Top's dirty as hell. So hopefully on the next video I can get in there and start taking off some more parts. I'll film that and put a time lapse on it, so I'm sure everybody, you know, that watches this channel has hopefully taken apart an older car. There's just, you know, a lot of it comes off as far as the front, where you're just kind of left with the cab and the firewall, and that's kind of where I want to get at. That way I can clean it up and then eventually paint it. I'm probably gonna sand it down really good, the best that I can, and then I'm probably just gonna rattle some gray primer on there just for right now, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit bare metal on some of it just to keep it from rusting, and then decide what we're gonna paint the engine bay. Kind of thinking of keeping it the same color as the car, which later on we'll let everybody know what color we're gonna paint the car. But again, I'll probably have to make this 2 videos. It's looking pretty long. But again, please hit the like and subscribe button, and leave any comment that you want, negative, positive, anything, and kind of give me, you know, some feedback of what anybody wants to see or what they are interested in, and I can find out, or unless you already know and you can give me some advice. Again, I don't know everything. This isn't a video, like I previously said, to say, hey, this is how you do it, follow me. This is like, hey, this is what I'm gonna do, and I'm probably gonna mess up, and if you have a better suggestion on some things, let me know. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.